Well, today I'm going to make a simple Spanish style arroz con dulce. And these are the ingredients that you're going to need. Raisins, a cup, can of coco lope, a can of condensed milk, a can of evaporated milk, 3 cups of rice, medium grain, 10 star anise, 8 cloves, 8 cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, a cup of sugar, and a cup of brown sugar. Okay, once the brine, the tea, is like a tea, boils, you have to take out all these little things. Take them out, dump them, and you can leave the cinnamon sticks in there. And then you pour your carnation milk. Carnation milk. Stir it a little. Now, you take 3 cups of water that has been soaking in water for like 2 hours, and you drain. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Drain it. And once it's drained, you take that rice and put it in here. You mix all that together, and you start putting the other ingredients. The condensed milk, the coco lope, and just keep mixing it. And you're just going to keep mixing it. Now you add your white sugar, half a cup, and a cup of brown sugar, because I like my arroz con dulce brown. I don't like it white. And you just keep mixing that until it gets really thick. And then you can put a couple of drops of vanilla, 4 or 5, and the raisins, a cup of raisin. And now you keep mixing that until the consistency thickens. If you see that it's too thick and the rice is not soft yet, you can add a little bit of water or a little bit of more condensed milk.
Yeah, he did. Oh my god. Join me. I mean, not join me.
Okay, you see, after cooking it for like an hour, it's like really mushy now. And now it's ready to be put in a plate. Well, what I do is I like to put it in my own little plates so I can have my own serving of arroz con dulce. And I just plate it with a little bit like this. Take a little plate and just put it in there like that. See, there you go, arroz con dulce. Now it's gonna be time for me to put it in the refrigerator so that it can get cold. Okay, good luck. Have any questions, text me or send me an email or messenger. Bye.